So I'm looking at week 3 of the Canvas page. The journal synopsis is explained on Canvas. Most students seem to have a pretty thorough idea of what the paper involves. The journal synopsis is going to be due at the end of this week by Friday evening. There's not a lot of reading to do this week. There's one textbook chapter, and there's this journal synopsis assignment. It's a short paper, 2 pages or so, and I'm just asking you to review a journal and that journal's goals and the overall scope of that journal. A couple of students submitted articles that they want to review for this assignment, and while the articles did seem interesting and relevant, please be aware that you are not being asked to review an individual article. Instead, you are asked to review the publisher of that article, the journal that published it. I'm not asking you to read about an experiment in depth. Most students seem to have a pretty clear idea of what the project involves. I should quickly point out that occasionally students have done much more on the journal synopsis than I intended. I have had a student or two take the assignment to mean study the entire history of a journal, and some students have spent just hours and hours and hours reading articles, studying the background of the editors, and there's part of me that appreciates the effort there, but I also do not mean it to be a crushing, huge research project. We're going to get to a huge research project at the end of the semester. The journal synopsis is a short assignment. Just familiarize yourself with the journal from your field and write about your impressions of that journal. It does not need to be comprehensive. I'm not asking for a detailed history of everything about that journal.